In front of me is Poco C40, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Poco. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down. Now choose Additional Settings. From here you need to select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then click on Theme. Following that, you need to scroll down and click on Show More. This way you will see all the available ones. Now tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders by clicking on this switcher, and when you're ready, select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes to customize it. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you need to tap on it, tap on this little icon, the pen one, and make all your changes. Then select Apply one more time. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!